Okay. Can you tell us a little bit more about Fontainhas? So, what is the best thing here according to you?
Well, I don't know whether you already know about this, but the very term Fontainhas actually comes from the word fonte, which means little fountains. So if you dig a little bit down anywhere here, you will find springs springing because there's all water underneath.
I didn't know that.
Yes, so that's Fontainhas basically.
Okay.
So little fountains everywhere. That's what it means in Portuguese. Well, I'm fortunate enough, firstly, to be born here in Fontainhas, which is the nicest place according to me. I'm sorry for being biased, but it's really nice to be born here in this part of Panjim, and especially with all of these old houses that we've got here, very colorful, as you may have seen. And yeah, what else would you want to know about Fontainhas?
So, if somebody was visiting here for a day, what was the one thing that you would definitely recommend to do here?
I think just park your vehicle and just walk around in the lanes and the by lanes, and just get lost.
Slow it down.
Slow it down. Just get lost into something of the past. This place here is very reminiscent of the past.
Right. How is Fontainhas different from Panjim?
Interesting question. Well, I think maybe many years back, I think the whole of Panjim would have resembled Fontainhas. But Fontainhas right now has maintained its character because all its residents have maintained their houses. Also, because the law states that since this is considered a heritage zone now, we cannot break the outer structure.
Right.
So even for example, if we've renovated a house from within, we are not supposed to touch the exterior walls. So that's why they're huge walls. But internally, we can do some changes.
And is it that also you have to paint your houses every year?
We don't have to. We don't have a law stating so. But I think because people are sensitized to the fact of heritage and they're sensitized to maintaining culture, because we have that within us through our forefathers and ancestors, we do that on a regular basis when we feel our houses need to be painted.
Are you saying your ancestry is Portuguese?
Very interesting question again. Now, if you're asking about blood-wise, I don't know, because it's 451 years of Portuguese rule, right?
Right.
But politically speaking, if you're talking about my mom's generation, she passed from one nationality to another within a day when the Portuguese had to leave and the Indians came in. So what really defines nationality is something very different. I don't think it's...
You're going at heart.
I'm very much going at heart. I want to sound bright. Yes, I'm a proud Indian, but at the same time, being Goan is something very special because it's a blend of Indian culture as well as that of Portuguese culture. So I wouldn't say that I feel more Portuguese, I feel more Indian. It's a beautiful blend, Goanese culture. Yeah. And I've been fortunate because the guest house was started by my folks, which is I think about 33 years or so.
Wow.
Yeah. So I'm just helping them run the place now and just keep it maintained.
So who are the people that generally come to live here?
So before the pandemic, it was definitely the foreigners.
Okay.
Mostly because most of the foreigners are culturally, architecturally interested and intrigued by heritage. But we've also noticed recently a huge surge of a class of Indians who are very much interested in architecture, heritage, culture, cuisine, because we've got some of the really good restaurants here around which serve amazing cuisine. Okay, something about the Afonso Guest House, I would say, is nothing fancy, nothing luxurious, but something where you want to feel like home away from home, clean, functional. I wouldn't even want to say quaint because a small little thing, many guests in fact, sometimes when they come here and they say, oh, we love your place so much. I'm like, yeah, it's quaint. They're like, no, especially guests from Bombay who are on sabbaticals and all. They're like, it's not really quaint because they've been to many places that are quaint. But this is quaint, but with things placed not with the objective of making it quaint, but out of love. It makes it quaint.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Well done, man. Thank you.
Being candid is the best sometimes.
Absolutely.
Like many times our guests who come and stay here, they look at the board and they're like, oh, we're not allowed to take pictures, right? And I'm like, no, that's not for you. It's for some of the guests who don't really understand that there's a decorum. You just can't scream in front of somebody's door. But other than that, you're most free to take pictures and do what you wish. But
I'm sure you see 1,000 pictures a day on an average.
Yeah. Which is actually good. I mean, it makes people happy and it again sensitizes. But then again, it's also about consideration. Be considerate to people who are staying here, and we would love that also.
That's the beauty of staying in Fontainhas, is it? Thank you, Clifton. Have a nice day.